Hello, morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, guys. How are you all? Doing good? Okay. So now, today, what we will do? Yesterday, I gave you the crab diagram. Everyone did that? Any problem? Any doubt in that? Turn on your camera, everyone.
Sir,
Yeah.
I tried doing the crab diagram, but something keeps going wrong. My measurements are not coming correct.
Your okay. So yesterday you were doing some question and you are not getting the answer. Is it like that? Like
Yeah.
where you get stuck?
Mainly like when I get
Let me
one and
let me check your diagram.
I didn't really
You
send
send
it.
you didn't send me?
I will send it to you privately.
Okay, send it to me so that I can check where you getting mistake. David, your diagram should has the all the value like triangle ABC is there, no? How much angle B is there? How much angle C is there? That you have to write it down, beta.
Okay.
And in that also, and measurement also. And if you are making arc, don't erase the arc, okay? Do not erase the arc and all. I know that it's look messy, but examiner love Messi. He's a fan of Messi, not Ronaldo. Okay, did you understand? And Miracle in Maths homework is not there. Only science homework is there. Agatha, where is yours?
Yes, I'm sending it, sir.
Okay, I'll check now. Agatha, you are also erasing everything?
I'm not erasing. It's just that those marks are not that clear. And some of them I've done lightly just to check if I'm getting the right angle.
Uh,
What?
no, there is no perpendicular bisector. I can say. Where is the perpendicular bisector?
And I did make them. They were just quite lightly marked. I made one on AY and one on AX, but I'm only getting one angle. When I get one angle is 30 or 60 degree, the other angle is becoming 90 degree. I'm getting a right angle triangle.
Mm, is it very light or my eyes are very bright?
It is very light.
Mhm. Can you see the David's diagram from the book? Can you see it from the group? David's diagram. That diagram seems perfect. There is no problem in that diagram.
Yeah.
Hmm? So try to do this like this, no? Step by step.
Sir, are the steps that I wrote
Hmm.
down correct?
David's David's steps you're saying? Or
No, my
yours?
steps. Yeah.
Yours.
So,
Yes.
my diagram was not coming to 10 centimeters, sir. It came last I was able to make it to 99.9, 9.9
Yeah.
centimeters.
That is no problem.
That's no problem.
There is no problem. So, Agatha, X, what is the X angle? How much X angle is Agatha? How much X
X,
angle is?
X is 30 degree.
But you wrote 30 degree on X and on Y you wrote 45 degree. Huh? It will be half of 45, na? 22.5.
Yeah. I
So why you
thought
make 45? Check check it with uh, protector. Is it you make 45 degree or 22.5 degree? When we are making angle X and angle Y, it is only half of it, no? You're getting my point? No.
yeah.
Yes, Agatha.
Yeah,
What
I got
is?
it. Dodo lay.
I can't hear you, beta. Can you say it again? Say it again, Agatha.
Sir, yeah.
Huh.
So from X, I got a 60 degree,
Why?
and B,
60 X should be 30 degree because half of it. And Y should be half of it, which is 22.5 degree. That only we were doing yesterday, no? No.
but I'm talking about, wait, no, you're talking about a question, right?
Yeah. The angle B 60, angle C 45. That is the question. What is question? Now, if you want to make angle X, it will be half of it, means 30 degree. And angle Y will be half of it, means 22.5. You got my point? No.
Yes, sir, I got. Yes, sir, I got.
So you make 60 degree or 30 degree on it. If you check with the protector right now. It seems like it's 60 degree, not 30 degree. What you're saying, Agatha?
Yeah, I actually measured Y as 30 degree, not X.
Yeah, X should be 30, Y should be 22.5 with the help of compass. Are you
Okay.
getting my point? No.
Isn't X supposed to be 60 and Y supposed to be 30?
No. See, if it's check to David's diagram, come back to David's diagram quickly in the group. Quickly come back to David's diagram. Can you check this? Opened. Now see,
Yeah,
angle
I got it.
X and angle B are on the same side, no? So if angle B is 60 degree, then angle X will be half of it, means 30 degree. So angle B is 60, half of it will be angle X, which is 30 degree. In the same way, angle C, which
Oh,
is 45, half of it will be the angle of Y, will be 22.5. Half. Half angle you have to make.
oh,
You
okay,
got
sir, I
it?
got it.
No.
Yeah, I got it.
So that mistake you are doing, that is why you are not getting the angles. And you are blaming me for that. Very bad. You're blaming your sir. No, no, no. It won't be tolerated. Very bad. Okay. Anybody has any doubt? Yes, Christina, please. Christina? Christina? You have any doubt? Hello, Christina. Can you hear me? Okay, so we were doing. Okay, now we'll do this question. Question number 9, which I told you that we'll do it today.
Sorry, sir, my mic wasn't working. I don't have any doubt.
You don't have any doubt?
No, sir, my
Very
mic.
good. Very good. Very good. Okay, now to Abraham, and everyone will do this question with me. I know that you have did this question before, but still we are a good person. We will do this question again. Okay, construct a triangle PQR in which PQ is 5 centimeter, QR is 4.2, and median RS is 3.8. Now, Abraham, everyone do it. Don't wait for me. And I'll teach this question to Abraham. Miraculin, please do it, okay? Don't wait for me or Abraham to complete it and then to do it. Okay, come on, Abraham. Now see this question.
Can you just give me 1 minute, sir?
Okay, 1 minute. 59, 58, 57, 56. Dash, 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 dash. Quickly do it, quickly, quickly. Turn on your camera, Agatha, Christina, David, Jeshram. Please turn on your camera. Good morning to all.
Internet problem.
Internet problem? Okay, no problem. Done? Okay. Now, first of all, Abraham, what do you mean by median? What do you mean by median? So, for example, this is the triangle ABC. This is the triangle ABC in which no, we have to consider triangle PQR. So, triangle PQR is there. QR, and in which okay, R is on that side. Okay, and RS is the median, and the median height is given, which is 3.8, and PQ is 5 centimeter, and QR is 4.2 centimeter. Now, what is the meaning of median? Median is the point on the opposite side which divides the line segment into two equal parts. So here you can see QS and SP are equal because S is the midpoint, median. Did you understand? Now, how will you solve this? See, we have the rough diagram in which the base is 5 centimeter. So draw the line of 5 centimeter quickly. Quickly draw a line of 5 centimeter and name it as QP is 5 centimeter. Next point.
So do we construct a perpendicular bisector?
Yes, then we will good. Then we will make a perpendicular bisector. Means on Q, more than half up and down, and P more than for half up and down.
So perpendicular bisector, so will always bisect it half.
Yes, it always bisect into half. Very good. Like this. Now, now we know that QR is 4.2. So measure QR as 4.2. Put a needle on Q and make an arc like this. Measure 4.2 centimeter from the scale. Put your needle on Q and make an arc.
Yes, sir.
And then we know that this is 3.8. So measure 3.8, put your needle on S and cut an arc like this.
So, like when we are making a perpendicular bisector, like where should we put the point and do?
Always needle should be on, like if a line segment is there, for example, this is Q. So needle Q more than half up and down, P without disturbing the compass on P up and down like this.
So,
So then we make a line from Q2.
Yeah, so for example, you take 3.8 and you cut it. Now you have to join this point, the arc which you got, this will be the P. No, R, sorry. This will be the R. So now you have to join QR.
RP.
QR, RP, and RS. Everything you have to join.
Sir, I'm not sure how you got point R.
How you got point R? See, the QR is how much? 4.2, no? So first you measure QR and then put a needle on Q and then cut an arc like this. Then from S is 3.8, no? So you put a needle on S and then you cut 3.8. So you got every distance now. This is the R point.
So
Yes.
RP is 4.9. So is that okay?
Yeah. RP we don't our answer is not based on RP. Our answer is based on RQ and RS. So if RP is any distance, no problem. So you get the answer like this. Got it? Miracle? Everyone
So,
understood? Say yes or no?
how did you make the arc which is marked R? Like the
From Q, measure 4.2.
okay.
Measure 4.2 centimeter, put a needle on Q, make an arc. And then from S, because median is there, no 3.8. So measure 3.8 centimeter from S, make an arc. So wherever you cut, that point will be the arc.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Abraham, got it? Now put a heading. Put a heading. 50. Steps of construction, you guys have to write. Just Ron, the question that you left in the test, you didn't understand that question or what happened in that?
The question, which question, sir?
In the test, you said, no, I didn't did question number 12 and this and this.
Oh, question number 12 I've done before, sir. But this time when I was doing it, I was not able to understand how to do it. For some-
Oh, then how will you do this? Means you have to practice it, no? You didn't understand or what happened in that.
I've done it before, sir, and I've done it correctly, but I was not able to remember how to do it this time. I
So
don't
it
know.
means that you have to do more. You have to do more and more for that. Okay. And even 3 questions are also there which you didn't do. Okay, we have this question. Construct a triangle similar to given triangle ABC with the sides equal to 3/5 ratio to corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. Okay. So in the starting of the chapter, we divide the line in the ratio. No? So same thing we have to do. Same thing we have to do. Okay. So for example, construct a line. Hmm. So you do one thing, as the base of the triangle is not given, so you take 10 centimeter as a base. I mean, in the question it will be given. Just for this question, it is not given, so we are taking any point. Okay. In the main question, that the centimeter will be there, but right now in this question, because it is part of an example, it's not there. Got it? Did you understand? Say yes or no. Now, how will you solve this? See, we know that we'll make a first triangle. So this will be the triangle ABC, in which this will be the 10 centimeter, and there is one similar triangle will make, and then this name is D and E. Now everyone please pay attention. Okay. The thing here is that we need listen, please pay attention. The thing is, what is similar triangle? Similar triangle are those triangle in which like for example this is a part of your chapter before but now it's not there because of bifurcation. Thanks to bifurcation. Listen guys, please pay attention, don't make anything, do not make anything. For example, this is a triangle CAB. I drove this line DE which is parallel to CB, which is parallel to CB. Nobody is paying attention, then you will not get anything. Please pay attention. There is a triangle CAB and I draw a parallel lines. DE is parallel to CB. Now we can say that this triangle ADE and the big triangle ABC, the small one and the red one, they both triangle are similar. Similar. Similar means that they have angle A equals to angle A, like the small triangle. I'm talking about the small triangle and the big triangle. These two triangle I'm talking about. So we know that angle A and angle A is a common. As this line and this lines are parallel, so this line and this line is also equal because of corresponding. So and this angle is and this angle are also equal because of corresponding. So angle A is equals to angle A, angle D is equals to angle B, and angle E is equals to angle C. By this by this theorem, we can say that this triangle is equal to not equal to similar to the big triangle ABC. This is the basically means of similarity. Its whole big chapter is there, but we are not doing that big chapter because I mean that is very off topic. So just now, how will you solve this? I'll tell you. We'll take one question. We'll take one question. Now, Abraham, please read this question. Abraham.
Triangle with sides 5, 6, and 7 centimeters. Construct another triangle similar to this triangle with the scale factor 2 is to 2 upon 3.
2 upon 3 factor you have to do. तो हाँ नहीं बंद करो हाँ let it normal. So now how will you do this? So we have to construct a triangle such that this is 5 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter, this is 7 centimeter, or I will write 6 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Okay, construct a triangle and such that this divide it into ratio of 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3 ratio. Okay, that divides the below line as 2 is to 3 ratio. And this point will be D and this point will be E. This is A, B, and C. Now, how will you do this? Please pay attention. So, first we'll make a triangle. First, we make a triangle. So, triangle ABC you have to make. Search first with the help of pencil. Make 5 centimeter. This is A. So, this is AB, which is 5 centimeter. Then put your needle on ruler, measure 6 centimeter, cut an arc, and then with the then measure 7 centimeter, cut an arc. So you will get this triangle. Done? And name this point as C. So we made a triangle in which this one is 6 centimeter, this one is 7 centimeter, this one is 5 centimeter. Okay. Now in the starting, we divide the line segment na when the ratios are given. And I told you whatever the ratio is given, you have to add it. Means 2:3 is there. Then 2 plus 3, it will be 5. So how we used to do that? Like from A angle, make any ray of acute angle. Everyone remember this or forgot? Hmm? Then I told you to open up. Okay, everyone done till here? Understood everyone? No, you're not getting anything. Okay, make an angle of acute angle, any angle, no problem in that, and name that ray is AX.
Sir, how much? What is the angle for AX?
So what is the length of x of AX? So you're on mute.
Yeah. Any angle you can take. Any angle, acute angle which is lower than 90.
No, so what is the distance of A to X?
A to X, any distance. Now, because the ratio is 2:3, so we will add the ratio, it become 5. Means you have to make 5 arc of equal distance. So put your needle on A, take any measurement and cut 5 arc. Are you getting my point? We did this before also. Put your needle on A, cut this arc, name this as A1. Then from A1, without disturbing the compass, cut one more arc, name that as A2. Like this, A3, A4, and A5. Cut this without disturbing the
So
compass.
from A1 to A2, so how much distance is it?
The distance will be like A to A1, any distance. Then from every A1 to A2, A2 to A3, you do not have to disturb the compass and you have to cut out. And guys, everyone is holding compass wrongly. You guys have to hold the compass like this. For example, we have this needle and this is pencil and you have the up part. Hold it from here. Don't hold like this. Okay, don't fight with that. Simple, just hold it from the top side like this and then do it, cut and all everything. Done till here. Agatha, Miraculin, got it, say yes or no. Okay, now the next step is join A5 and B. Join A5 and B. Join A5 and B. Done, Miraculin. Got it. Okay, next. Next, put your needle on A5 and cut an arc of any measurement. Put your needle on A5 and cut an arc of any measurement. Like this. Name that as L and M. Name that as L and M. Put a needle on A5, cut an arc of any measurement, put a needle in L, M, N. Now we need a ratio of 2:3 na. So the front one is 2. Then put your needle on A and then without disturbing the compass, cut an arc. You're gonna be looking like this.
Put your needle on, sir.
So can you repeat that?
Yeah. So did you make this arc till here done?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now you don't have to disturb the compass. What is the ratio? 2:3. The front one is
Yes.
2. So put your needle on A2 and then cut an arc like this.
It's fine if the arc goes above 80 and then comes down, right?
Sorry.
The arc can go above AB, right?
Try to. You can do that. No problem with that.
Where do I have to keep the arc?
Like you have to put your needle on A2 and then cut an arc.
So mine is coming from A to A1.
Yeah, it's okay. No problem. Put your needle on A2, then cut an arc. Okay. Now name this point as Y. Name this point as Y. Now measure L and M. Put your needle on L and open it till M. Put your needle on L and open it till M. Done? Then from Y, cut the arc. Like you measure L and M, then put a needle on Y and then cut an arc. If it is coming above the line, no problem. Like who is getting above the line? The arc which you are cutting, you are getting above the line. Who is getting? You are getting. So for example, if it is like this and you are getting point and you are getting point here, like this you are getting, Abraham. Huh? Then simple, you have to join this A2 like this. From A2 to like this.
No, sir, I'm getting it above point A also.
Above the AB line, na? Like this.
So
Hmm.
I have to cut an arc.
Sorry.
I have to cut an arc on point Y, right?
Yeah, put like you measure L and M, put a needle on Y, and then cut an arc. Yes, Miraculin, you're saying something.
yeah, can I show my diagram once?
Yes. Wow, two Miraculin, different positions. Yeah. Hmm. So did you measure LM? No, that not. This LM. This LM. Yeah. Measure this L and that M quickly. And then put your needle on Y. This Y and then cut. So for example, if I am getting above the line, then just join it like this. No problem in that.
2.82, sir.
A2 or A.
Yeah, from A2 to that cut which you got. Remember this thing?
So after measuring LM, what should I do?
अरे क्या हो रहा है ये? Just give me a second. Hmm. After measuring LM, you measure LM. This LM you measured, then put it on Y and then cut an arc.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then join this A2 with this arc.
So, but the arc is coming below.
If it is coming below, then it is very good. If it is coming above, then also no problem.
Okay, sir.
So I've
Hmm.
so after joining it to A2, so do you have to do anything?
Yeah, we have to do more thing. Okay, now if you are now guys, everyone please pay attention. If you are getting a point like this diagram, if you're getting like this, which is the cut is above the line, then you guys can erase it like this. Don't erase the arc, don't erase the arc, but erase the this line like this. Till this line you can erase it. Or you can do one thing, you can erase till here. I'm
Sir.
repeating again. I'm repeating again. If you are getting diagram like this, which is cut is above the line, then erase till this part. You can erase it like this. Yes, Christina. Yes, Christina.
Just below the triangle. Is that okay?
Show it. Can you show it to me? Yes, Miraculin. Show it. Show the diagram to me. Yes.
So, like the arc is coming below A1. Is that okay?
Below A1.
Yeah.
Miraculin. The arc which you made from A5 like this. Listen, see the diagram. You make this arc from A5. Now, second arc you made
Yes.
from where? A2, na? Is it from A2 or A1 you made?
Uh,
When you put the needle on A5, you cut this arc, then without disturbing the compass, you have to make one more arc. So you made the arc from A2, na? Or A1, because in diagram it looks like it is from A1, not A2.
yeah, I think it's. I will correct that soon.
Correct it. Make it from A2, not A1. Okay, everyone till here done?
Yes, sir.
David, Agatha, everyone done? Okay. Now, now, um, now the point which you got on this line, name that point as D. Name that point as D. D for doll. Now still the work is not completed. Now put your needle on B and then cut an arc of any measurement like this. Name it as H and I. He.
So,
Hmm.
like, I think I have made the arc putting the point on A2, but even after that, the arc is coming there only.
Yeah, then it's okay. Now you have to join that A2 to the arc to the line.
Okay,
From
sir.
A2 to the cut to the line. Means to that cut no cross. Okay. And then name that point as D. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now from B, make an arc of any measurement. Any measurement you can take. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now without disturbing the compass, put a needle on D and make an arc like this. Without disturbing the compass, put a needle on D and make an arc.
With the same
Name
measurement
this,
we B, right?
yeah, with the same measurement. Very good. Name this as any alphabet. E. No. E we need G. G. Abraham done? Well, first you put your needle on B, cut an arc of any measurement, name as H and I. Without disturbing the compass, put your needle on D and cut an arc like this. Now put your needle on G and then cut an arc like this. How will you do that? Measure H and I, put your needle on G and then cut an arc. And then join D, G and then straight line.
So how did you get G?
You put the needle on B, measure any distance, any open and little compass of any measurement, cut an arc without disturbing the compass, put a needle on D and then you have to cut this arc. So you will get G point. Then measure H and I, put a needle on G, cut an arc, you will get this point. So this point will be E. This point will be E. Remember this thing, guys. One important thing I want to say. Remember this thing. Your A to D should be parallel to A to D should be parallel to B A5B. A5B means these two lines should be parallel. First thing. Second thing, these two lines also be parallel. Means your ED should be parallel to CD. This is a parallel sign, okay? This is a sign of parallel. So if it is looking like this, then your answer is correct. Now everyone, can you show me your diagram on the camera, please? Abraham, we'll start from you. Can you show me your diagram on the camera? Little near to the camera. It seems to be correct. Okay. Next one, Christina, yes.
Sir, my D is a bit lower, so I'm not getting G. Wait,
You're not getting G.
Yeah, my D is like very low. I made a mistake. I'll just show you.
Show it to me. Hmm.
Remove the background, Christine, I think.
Hmm.
I didn't put any background.
No, right on the right side. Do little right. Little right. Christina, you didn't get the D point on the line AB.
I got the D point, but it's very
Where is
low.
that D point? Where is
It's
D point?
over here. It's over here. D.
Uh-huh. No, 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 no. Yeah, this diagram is not correct.
I'll do it again.
Like you have to. Did this step A5?
Yes, I did it.
Then without disturbing the compass, did you put on A2? Where you did put
Yes, I did. I did put on A2.
A2? Then measure LM. You have to measure LM with the putting needle on compass and then pencil on this M. You did this?
I don't think so.
Yeah, you have to measure this and then put your needle on Y and then cut it. Christina, did you understand? No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I didn't measure
Hmm?
it.
Measure LM and then put it on Y and then cut it. Yes, who still not get Agatha? Can you show me your diagram, please? David, Jashron.
So my diagram is somehow going off.
Diagram is going off. Okay, can you show it to me?
I've looked.
Can you show it to me? I'll help you. Yes, Agatha, correct. Okay,
I
who?
looked at it. I can
Uh,
see that I've done the gotten point D correctly, but other
hmm,
than that, I'm not able to find point E.
point E. So, did you put your needle on B and then you open the arc? Can you show it to me? How much you did? I'll help you. Okay. Yeah. E, correct? No, there is no problem.
But so I'm finding it's not parallel to.
I mean, little bit problem is there, which you can do it in the next question so that you can practice it. Okay, David, what about you? Where's your diagram? Hello, David, are you there? David, I guess, is not there. Miracle, your diagram is done.
Yes.
Can you show it to me? Hmm. It seems parallel. Okay, so this is the question that you need to do, guys. Okay, I'll give you one question only or two questions. How much you want? How much
One.
you want?
Now I'm gonna say, I'm not gonna
One,
say.
sir.
So we got one from Agatha, one from Christina, one from Abraham. Total is three.
So I think
Ah,
you can give two because I want to
two.
practice.
So one plus one plus one plus two. So it's five.
God, I just said two.
So you said two, but Agatha said one, Christina said one, Abraham said one. So it become five, no?
So I want point one.
Point one. Okay, so it's 5.1 then. Means you win, like if I will do round off, I usually do round up. So 5.1 becomes 6.
So I want minus 10, sir.
No, no, minus 10 is not option. Only plus 1 is there. Okay, this is the homework, guys. I'm giving you 1 minute break and then come back. We'll start the science class. Till then, bye, Jashant. We'll meet tomorrow.
Bye,
I'm
sir.
sorry we are taking too much time in maths, but these are the important questions. That's all. Till then, bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you. See you all tomorrow.
See you. Okay, guys, done? Come back, come back, come back, come back. Hello? Yes, guys. So what we were doing? Yeah, we were doing chapter mission. Oh my God. 15 August is coming. So if you are getting any noise or any sound from my background, I'm sorry. But my kids are like preparing on like it's a school, no? It's a street kid school, no? So they are preparing by their own. They are just giving us a view how will they do. What we are doing? What we are doing? Chapter number?
29th.
Yes. Oh my God. Oh, that is correct. Wow. Okay. So we were doing carbon cycle. Like we are about to start the carbon cycle. So we will do this carbon cycle. So everyone, turn on your camera, please. Yes, good, Christina. In maths class, she always turn off the camera. In science class, for just 10 minutes, she turn on the camera. Okay. Very good. Okay, David, went for giving lunch to brother. Huh? Hello, David. King Saul is saying that I am fearing in the camp. What happened? I guess he is went for that only. Okay, so we'll read this. Who will read? Who will read? Miracle will read. Yes, Miracle. The carbon cycle. I told you that if we are using the carbon, like carbon dioxide, if we are releasing, that carbon dioxide is made into the oxygen by the plants only. So the cycle is made. So that is called as biochemical cycle. Yes, read it, carbon.
The carbon cycle is the biochemical cycle by which carbon is exchanged between soil air of the earth. It is the most important cycle of the earth and allows for carbon to be recycled by all of its organisms. Figure 29.6, it justifies the saying what goes around comes around.
See, atmospheric carbon dioxide is there. Plant will use it to make photosynthesis, and green plants make organic compounds like glucose and everything. Okay, like for example, we are eating wheat. Wheat, no? Wheat is plant grown. That wheat has starch. That starch has carbon in that. The carbon that plant use, it photosynthesizes it and it converted into the name of food. But we are eating food, it has carbon. We are eating that carbon, we are using the energy, we are releasing the carbon dioxide, and through respiration, it again come back to the atmospheric carbon dioxide. What is atmospheric carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, in the air. Got it? So green plants make organic compounds, means the food, the wheat, dal, every this thing. These all are carbon made. And we eat it, and while the respiration, we release the carbon dioxide. Okay. Sometimes the green plant, which was there, but after the flood, some things, it also fossilizes. Fossilizes means become fossil fuel. Coal. Coal is made up of carbon. Okay, like we know now that we have coal mines. Coal mines means before it was some animal kingdom or something is there, but after the flood and a million years before the flood came and any disaster came, which they buried under the soil, and with the pressure and temperature they are converted into the coal, like that. So this is called as fossilization. So sometimes green plants, when they come buried under the soil and after million years old, we can get fossil fuel gas, petroleum, like that. And when you will burn it, you will get carbon dioxide. So this is the cycle in which photosynthesis, this happening, and we are using carbon dioxide also in our day-to-day life, and we are giving back to the environment, and it become green in color. Got my point?
So yeah, so in here the animal tissue means us, like humans.
Yes. Yes, we do work. We release this carbon dioxide and like that. Now nitrogen cycle. So nitrogen cycle is little typical, but I will try to make you understand. Now listen, listen. See, listen. There are three types of thing is there. First is atmospheric nitrogen. Atmospheric nitrogen is N2. Then we have nitrate, which is NO2, and we have nitrite. Nitrate is NO3, sorry. And nitrite is NO2. We have this thing. Listen, please pay attention. Atmospheric nitrogen, plant cannot use. In the nitrogen, there is atmospheric nitrogen, means N2 plant cannot use. Plant can only take carbon dioxide as a gas, N2 cannot take. So it means that plant, but I told you yesterday, plant needs NPK. N nitrogen, P phosphorus, K potassium. They need N. So how will they get N? They will get N through nitrate and nitrite. They get N, like nitrogen, through nitrate and nitrite. Now this nitrate and nitrite they cannot make, they have no factory. So that is why yesterday I told you the root nodule, rhizobium bacteria. What that rhizobium bacteria do? It convert atmospheric nitrogen to the nitrate and nitrite. Plant can use it. Are you getting my point? Rhizobium bacteria is also called as nitrogen fixation bacteria. It is fixing nitrogen for the plant. Are you getting my point, Agatha? Yes. So
Like, yeah,
plant
can
cannot plant
you repeat
cannot
that?
consume atmospheric nitrogen N2, but they need food like NO3 and NO2. For example, Abraham, if in the dinner instead of chapati, if mama will give you wheat, only wheat, that small grain of wheat, will you able to eat this?
No, sir.
No, na. You need to grind that wheat grains, and then you have to bring that atta, and then you have to, I mean, do the, what is a no,
Kneading.
kneading of that atta, and then you have to make chapati, put it, and then put a ghee on it, and then you will eat it, no? This is the whole process. So in the same way, plant cannot take atmospheric nitrogen. Something they need that they can be converted into nitrate or nitrite for consumption. Okay. So now we will understand. So it is called as atmospheric nitrogen, which is N2. If it is not visible, you can check in your book also. It is N2. Now listen. Some of the nitrogen is fixed by lightning. Yes.
Like, what's the difference between N2 and NO2?
Oxygen is not there, and it is
Okay.
only a molecule is there. It is with oxygen. It's a compound. It is a molecule. It is a compound. Okay.
So,
Okay. Like,
like,
what is the difference between wheat and the atta? We are mixing that. We are grinding that grain of wheat to make atta, na? So that is the difference. Yes.
so, like,
Yeah.
N2 and NO2 difference is like the oxygen is there, but
Mm.
what about NO2 3? What is the
NO3.
importance of 3 there?
NO3 is also a form of nitrogen which can be consumption by the plant. Like if plant get NO3 or NO2, they can be eaten by the plants. There is no problem in that. For example, you can eat rice and wheat also. If you have varieties, then plant also need varieties, no? If you are eating only NO2, NO2,
Yeah.
NO2, then are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Plant also needs different chola, paneer and everything, no? Are you getting my point? I'm very hungry right now. That's why I'm getting that example. Sorry for that. So what I'm trying to say that some of the nitrogen is fixed by the lightning also. That lightning when happens, some of the nitrogen react with that oxygen due to that, and it by the rain it comes into the soil and we got NO2. Plant can take it. Okay, are you getting this?
So, I didn't understand but the meaning of fixed by lightning.
When
What
lightning
is
happens, lightning, thunderstorm.
Yeah.
I'm giving sound effect also. Understand it.
Okay.
What?
Yeah, okay, got it.
Got it? No, like the lightning when happened because of that great energy, the atmospheric nitrogen N2 and the oxygen is also there in atmosphere. They mix up, become NO2 or
Okay.
NO3. Okay, they mix up and become. So we got nitrogen in the soil. So these are all soil thing. Okay. Now, second thing is, as I told you, some of the nitrogen fixating bacteria. Um, where is that? Yeah, some of the blue-green algae is also are also there. Blue-green algae. They also fix atmospheric nitrogen to NO3 or NO3. Did you understand? Some of the nitrogen fixing bacteria is also there, which is in leguminous plant. Yesterday we learned in dal. They also get, like, they also fix nitrogen and makes NO3. So basically, we have some things that makes the nitrogen, the atmospheric nitrogen, into NO3 and NO2 form, so that plant can consume. But did you observe, if all the nitrogen, if it is get consumed, then in the atmosphere the concentration of nitrogen is 71%. It should be reduced now. Like nitrogen is not in atmosphere, it come into the soil, but it is not, like the percentage of nitrogen is fixed, which is 71%. Even though we have many factors that is fixing the atmospheric nitrogen in NO3 and NO2 form, okay, we have many things, but still it is not reducing. Why? Because some of the, we can say, nitrogen, anti-nitrogen, anti-nitrogen, like right now in front of government, if you will raise any voice, then you are anti-nationalist, no? Okay, because you are asking question from government. This is the sarcasm. Okay, you're asking the question from government, then you are called as anti-national. Hmm? So in the same way, the denitrifying bacteria, they are called as anti-nitrogen. Some nitrates are there, but they again fix it to the nitrogen. They are anti-nitrogen, very bad for the plants. Are you getting my point?
Sir, the last section I didn't understand.
Last is the nitrates are there in the soil. Nitrate is there, but some bacteria are called as anti-nitrogen or denitrifying bacteria, like Pseudomonas and Clostridium. If you will see in your book, it is visible clearly. Clostridium and Pseudomonas, they again convert the good, like the plants needed that food, into again the nitrogen. Like they converted the chapati into the wheat, grain of wheat. Opposite work.
So, like, NO2 is.
Converted back into
can't
N2.
understand.
You are
Oh,
eating
okay.
chapati. You are eating chapati now.
So,
If
you're
I will
taking
come,
off the
if
oxygen.
yeah, if I will come and I will say, Nidhi, you have chapati in your desk table, in your dinner table. I will take that chapati and I will make wheat again. How will you feel? You feel bad, na? You are eating chapati and I'm making wheat of grain again from that chapati. So in the same way,
Yeah.
nitrates are there in the soil, but some of the anti-nitrogen bacteria,
Okay.
they are converting into again nitrogen and oxygen is releasing.
Okay, so N2, N2 is converting into NO2, then NO2 is again
Converting into N2.
to N2. Okay.
So that
got
is
it.
why you can see this arrow. This arrow is showing that these bacteria bringing back the nitrogen into the atmosphere. Then we have this dead plants and other plants. Yes. For example, if you will eat protein, that protein has lot of nitrogen. So, for example, if any deer died, deer, okay, if any deer died, then what happened? That dead body has a lot of nitrogen compound, like in the tissue, inside the cell, they have a lot of nitrogen compound. And when they are buried into the soil, that nitrogen compound which was in the cell, now it's coming to the soil. So we can say that dead plants and other organism also providing the nitrates into the compound. Got it? Say yes or no. So now this all thing, like for example cow, when cow do the gobar, what we say, gobar in English, shit, no, I mean
Dung.
Dunk, yeah, cow dunk, yeah, very good. When cow do dunk, that has also, because cow is eating plants, and that plants which she eat, now the waste is dunk. That dunk also have nitrogen in it, that is also useful for the plant. That is why we are putting the cow dung into the soil, because the cow dung is rich in nitrogen. Yes, Jeshu. Yes, Jeshua.
Sir, I had sent you a message, sir.
You have sent me the message.
On extent, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, you can join again. Like 3 minutes are left. If you want to wait, you can wait. You want me to repeat, Jeshua? You're saying like that?
No, sir. I might just lose internet, sir. So, and then
Okay,
I'll
okay.
leave class.
Okay, 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 no problem. Everyone understood? So this is how the cycle works. Some of the things making the nitrates again, and some of the thing again making the nitrogen again. So cycle, you got it. It is cycle. Yes.
What is ammonia like LH2?
Okay. So basically, ammonia is also the like NH3. Yeah, one more thing we'll write. Ammonia, which is called NH3. This is also the good for the plant, but it is a middle product. Okay, ammonia is a middle product. For example, wheat of grain and chapati. Wheat of grain is the starting, which is the nitrogen, this one, and chapati is the last product, which is NO3 or NO2. But the ammonia is the middle part, like atta, only the atta. So to make ammonia, like ammonia is there, to make it into NO2 or NO3, we need nitrifying bacteria. Nitrifying bacteria. Okay, you cannot consume atta, na? You need chapati. That atta to chapati, we need nitrifying bacteria called as nitrosomonas. Nitrosomonas. So nitrosomonas, what they do, they take the ammonia and convert it into the NO2 and NO3, which plant can use. Did you understand, guys? Did you understand the atta chapati? Huh? You have a good breakfast, I hope. I am having oats. Very tasteful.
I haven't
Okay.
eaten.
Yeah, I mean the oats are very delicious. You have to eat oats. Oats are very good, guys. Mm, mm. Okay, so now you guys will read this. Will read this. So first is nitrogen fixation. What is nitrogen? N2 and fixing into NO2 and NO3. Abraham, are you getting this concept? No. Okay, read this. Read this, Abraham.
Nitrogen fixation. As we can see in the figure above, nitrogen can be fixed into two ways. Lightning during cloud formation, nitrogen and oxygen combine with each other to form oxides of nitrogen in the atmosphere by lightning. These nitrogen oxides dissolve in rainwater upon reaching the Earth's surface and become a part of the soil and water. Free living microorganisms present in the soil and the symbiotic bacteria in the root nodules of certain leguminous plants. Microbes like the blue-green algae and bacteria fix atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates and nitrates. These nitrogenous compounds are then released into the soil.
Correct, correct. So we have nitrogen fixation in which atmospheric nitrogen are fixed by the lightning and the free living bacteria like algae and leguminous plants root nodule. Did you understand? Now one thing, this is the homework. This is important thing. Do not make cow. You're making cow and all. You don't make tree. Just write it down. Cow, blue green algae or leguminous plant like that. Did you understand? So make this diagram as a homework. So, Miss Gatha, can you please put this as a home?
Make this diagram, including we should also make the cows and the trees.
No, no, no. That's why I said told. Don't make cow. Only make only like the cow. COW, cow. Okay?
Okay.
Okay?
But sir,
Perfect.
if we draw, what do we get?
Nothing. Nothing. That's why I'm saying don't make. Nothing
Yeah.
you will get. Okay, so don't write it. Just write the name cow and then tree and then blue green alligator like that. Okay, so if you have understood, then we'll end this class and then we'll read the whole paragraph tomorrow again and then we'll do more about this chapter. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off, Shabake. Sayonara. 15 August is the holiday. Bye.
It was supposed to be a holiday already.
Yeah, it is
So
a holiday. It is a holiday. It is a holiday. Perfect.
yeah, it
Bye.
was already.
Bye, sir. Thank
Bye,
you.
sir.
Bye,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank
Bye,
you.
everyone.
Thank
Bye,
you.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you,
Happy
sir.
Bye, sir.
holiday,
Bye.
Independence.
Happy Independence.
Hi, all. Good afternoon.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay. How many of you all have seen the science test papers that I have sent in the group? I wanted to discuss that today. Okay, Zoe. I wanted to discuss those papers with you today.
Ma'am.
Give me a minute, Hannah. I'm having a network issue, I think so.
Ma'am, I'm changing places. Ma'am, could you give me a minute?
Yes, now tell. You were saying something.
Ma'am, I was changing places, ma'am. So, I could not on my video right then.
Okay.